Are you on the different lymphedema Facebook groups and have heard differing of opinions and information on what the best compression garment is? I know you have because I'm on those groups too, and there is so much misinformation, and I'm here to kind of debunk some of those things. Hi, I'm Dr. Jillian Meyer of North Carolina Physical Therapy, and I wanted to give everybody a little information, a little education on the different types of compression garments. So if we look at the big picture, there's two different types of garments. We have the decongesting garments, and then we have the maintenance compression pieces. So if you have a lot of swelling, we need to put you in the decongestion phase of treatment. So what we use here at NCPT are short stretch bandages or Velcro reduction kits. Other clinics may use some other form of decongestion, but that is what we use here. Now, once you get all of the fluid off of your body and you're starting to show a plateau in the limb volume, that is when we go from the decongesting garments to the maintenance garments as a permanent means of helping control the swelling. Now, when we talk about maintenance garments, that is the typical garment or sleeve that you think of when somebody says compression garments. Now, I understand money is a big consideration when you are going to buy compression garments, but hear me out. When you buy a compression stocking from Walgreens or off Amazon, things that look like the Tommy Coppers or some weird off-brand name compression stocking, and they're only about $20 or like $20 to $40, I'm going to tell you right now, don't waste your money. You really need to invest in true medical grade compression garments. Those are not going to cut it. So, if you have $100 to invest in compression garments and you think, oh, I can buy 5 of these $20 garments, they're not going to be anywhere as good as if you bought 1 or 2 medical grade compression garments, even if they cost $60, $80, $100. Some of my favorite and go-to brands for medical grade compression are Medi, Juzo, Jopes, Sigvaris, Solaris, Bioflect, Cizalis. There's a couple other handful of compression garment companies that I truly trust in my practice, and I know a lot of my peers in the lymphedema community also trust these garments. So as a recap, we have to decongest the arm or the leg, the body part, with the short stretch bandages or the Velcro reduction kits, and then transition you into a maintenance garment. Now, if you wonder what is appropriate for you, do you have the right one? Please feel free to contact us for a consultation.